Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
One spray head developed a leak right here in the deal, so just going to change out this deal, remove the white cap here, and just change out the spray head. Should be a pretty quick change. I'll have to remove the little ball that holds it under the sink, but that's a fast, easy deal. Just unclips. So it should be pretty simple. This one, I had one where the spray head went bad itself, so I had saved it for parts. So sometimes, and I can actually send it back to the company, and it's made by Moen, so it should be,
or at least an offshoot of Moen,
better, but
with Moen's name on it. Yep, you don't even need to turn off the water for this one. Just make sure the faucet itself is turned off, and then you can unclip the weight that holds it down from the back. It just unsnaps pretty easy. Hold it together, unsnap the clip, and then you can pull it off. And then it has a little button here that you push that allows you to release the spray hose. There's the little button there. It's a little difficult to get a good shot of it, but you just push the button in, pull it out, and then you're able to pull your faucet out from the top, from the sprayer from the top. Pulls right out, whole hose and everything. It's a good idea to keep a bucket below to catch any water, any residual water as you're pulling it out. Sometimes the water pulls out, but that's it. Now just reuse the spray head, take off the spray head. Sometimes it has a little O-ring in there, so you just want to make sure you got the O-ring in the same position for the new spray head, or for the new sprayer hose. This one's got it inside. It's a little O-ring that sits in there. Once you get the spray head reattached, you just feed the back deal down through the faucet. Now it's a little tricky to find the channel that it goes down into, because the supply lines also hook up inside the faucet body, but you just got to kind of push it through a little bit, push it around a little bit to get it to go through, for it to come out the bottom, and then you can pull it right through. It takes sometimes a few runs at it. Try it on the right side, try it on the left side, move it around a little bit, and feed it down through. Eventually you'll get it. And then you see that bit of yellow tape that's on the hose itself. That's where your weight gets clipped to. So you just re-clip the weight to that. You got to kind of squeeze both parts of the weight. Here I'm feeding the hose back through, and then we can push it up and in.
Now you can insert it into your deal, and it just pushes into place. Okay.
Want to make sure you don't get any of the other hoses trapped in between the deal that you're feeding through. Otherwise it'll be hanging up on those each time you pull the pull-out faucet. Here it is pulling out, checking for leaks before we attach the weight. Make sure nothing's leaking there. There's the part that it was inserted into with the button. Everything's clear when we pull it, and we can pull it back down and then attach the weight. And again, the weight clips over the yellow portion. So you just squeeze it shut, and then latch the clip portion onto it. That again takes a few little runs at it. It's not too big a deal, but you just squeeze it until you get it right, clip it on, and then test it out. Make sure the weight's not hitting anything, not hanging up on anything, that it pulls, and that it resets itself via the weight. Pulls the pull out sprayer back down, and everything works good. There it is, clipped on. You see it does hit the dishwasher hose a tiny bit. Some of that can't be avoided, but it does operate properly. It doesn't hang up, so nice easy deal. This spray head has an adjustment, or you can rotate it for two different types of streams, a steady stream or a spray arm stream. You just turn, hold one portion of the body and turn the other part. But there it is. No big deal. Every once in a while you just want to make sure that you tighten this spray head to make sure that it doesn't come loose, because that is sometimes a leak point for these faucets. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Hope you liked the video, and subscribe to get the latest content. New videos posted often.